Welcome back to English You and Me. Today, we're going shopping. Let's learn useful English phrases you can use when buying groceries at a supermarket.
Hi there. Can I help you find something?
Yes, please. Where can I find the vegetables?
They're right over there, next to the dairy section.
Thank you. Oh, and do you have any fresh spinach today?
Yes, it just arrived this morning.
We often say, "Can I help you find something?" or "Do you have any?" in stores. "Do you have any?" is a polite way to ask if something is available.
Excuse me, how much is this loaf of bread?
It's $2.50.
Okay, I'll take one. And how much are the apples?
They're $1 per pound.
Great, I'll get 2 pounds, please.
We ask for prices by saying, "How much is this?" for one item. "How much are these?" for more than one.
Hi. Did you find everything you were looking for?
Yes, thank you.
That'll be $12.40.
Here you go. Can I pay by card?
Sure. Please tap your card here. Thank you. Have a great day.
Thanks, you too.
Notice the phrase, "Can I pay by card?" It's the most common way to ask if you can use your credit or debit card. You can also say, "Do you take card?" More informal. "Can I pay in cash?" if you want to pay with money. Now you've learned how to ask for items, talk about prices, and pay politely at the store. Try practicing these phrases next time you go shopping. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more short English lessons. See you in the next episode of English You and Me.